Clarendon man attacked, killed while taking 7-year-old son home. Man killed while awaiting breakfast at restaurant. 34-year-old farmer from Manchester charged with rape. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A man was attacked, chopped and shot to death while bringing his 7-year-old son home from a wake at MacDonald District in Crooked River, Clarendon on Thursday night. It is reported that around 9:40 p.m., 38-year-old Fitzroy Ricketts and his 7-year-old son were at a wake in the community. The son felt sleepy during the event and requested to be taken home. A man was shot and killed by a lone gunman while awaiting breakfast that he ordered at a restaurant in his Westmoreland community on Thursday morning. The deceased has been identified as 25-year-old O.J. Davison, who was of a Church Lincoln, Grange Hill, Westmoreland address. More details to come following further investigations. Police assigned to the Manchester Police Division have arrested and charged 34-year-old David Wright, otherwise called Dave, a farmer of Berrydale District, Porus, Manchester, with rape following an incident in his community on Friday, September 1st. Reports from the police are that about 8 p.m., a woman was awaiting a taxi when Wright offered her a ride. Wright then drove to his house, expressing he had forgotten something. Upon reaching his premises, Wright allegedly slapped the woman in the face before sexually assaulting her. A report was made to the police, and Wright was arrested and charged after he was pointed out on an identification parade. His court date is being finalized.